All right, we're back. We're doing some more stuff to the GMC Acadia. So we've got a 2013 GMC Acadia, and I always felt the headlights were a little low. So as you can see, we've got here, we're gonna move this box. I'm gonna have my assistant help me. We move that off of there onto the floor. Mainly just so we can see our lines on the garage. So you can obviously see where our lines are on the garage. And if you come over here, there's this little hole right in there. And there is a light my daughter is gonna bring over here in just a sec to show you this. So we kind of got it dark. Just in the middle of the day. Anyway, she's gonna turn her light on here. This is where you adjust your headlights. So basically, I've just got a screwdriver. We're gonna stick it in the hole, and we are going to, clockwise is down. We are going to raise it up. About right there. Now, we're gonna take this out. I don't know the correct measurements you put on your wall. A lot of people just put them on their wall. But we're not looking to be perfectly precise. And this one is a little low. We're gonna up that one slightly so it matches that one. And that's that. That's how easy it is to adjust the headlights on your GMC Acadia. I believe, like, I don't know, there's a few other cars that are pretty similar. I'll maybe link, well, I'll put them in the description below. But hey, I am going to link up this screwdriver here on Amazon. You can buy this from Amazon. Actually, you can buy this whole tool set from Amazon. It comes with the screwdriver that you're gonna need to adjust your headlights. Just kidding. I will post that on there. But for now, we're gonna film her filming us. Thank you to my assistant, Scatter Daughter. Till next time.